guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro Wi-Fi connection. I'm using MacBook Air, so just in case if something is different. But basically, first of all, what you can do is go to your Wi-Fi here and click on Wi-Fi settings. After that, when you see your Wi-Fi right here, you can click on details, and then you're gonna go to proxies right here and make sure that every single one of those are toggled off. You don't want them. Another way is to click on your Wi-Fi. Once again on Wi-Fi settings, and where you are connected, just click on three dots and forget this network. Then remove. After that, I would suggest you to restart your computer let's do that. And now on your other networks, find your Wi-Fi which you have been connected to. And now just enter your password here. And as you can see, I have connected to it. Now, if that doesn't work, basically just go to the details right here. And then you're gonna click on DNS, and now you want to change these DNS settings to 8888 and 4222. And after that, you're just gonna click OK. And your Wi-Fi should work. Another way is also to run wireless diagnostics, but I believe this should work for you. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment below this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.